Warehouse location and stock management. Again, main menu, open up inventory, which is your warehouses. We go through to warehouse management and we open up warehouses. You'll notice that I've created two warehouses here. One is finished goods, one raw material, and you're able to open up the finished goods warehouse or the raw material warehouse and go directly through to what locations are set in that particular warehouse. So these are your bin locations, and there you can see there's the whole array of them. You'll notice in the top right hand corner here there's 417. You have the option of either scrolling page by page or simply taking that 80 and changing it to the total number, of which it will then expand it into the total. This up top here is called a breadcrumb. So instead of going back out into inventory and restarting again, you're able to just go back on the breadcrumb, and that goes back to the finished goods warehouse or further back in the breadcrumb, and it takes you back to that first view. If you have a look at your products, this is a total list of your products, and you have two views, either like this or in a list view, same as we saw a little bit earlier, and you'll notice there's only 53 that we've loaded here as the sample set of data. There are all the products, and there's the warehouses that they are linked to. You're also able to do special searches and groupings. So if you would like to group by product type, product category, or do further grouping by any one of these items here listed in the database. You also have the ability to use this filter, and you can add multiple custom filters. For example, you can go bill of materials is set and apply that, and now we can only see the bill of materials a finished goods stock, and you can see that all sits in the main warehouse. So again, these are your recipe bill of materials, and this is your menu group bill of materials. In terms of having a look and a quick search of product, if you are looking for a product to see if you do have that stock on hand, I'm just going to go and have a look and see quickly where we do have stock on hand. Okay, let's use this carrots. Just for ease of use, just going to copy it. So if you're in your products here and somebody is asking, do we have that raw material on hand? You literally go to the search function here, paste it in, search the product for carrots, and there we go. It brings up all the carrots crushed and cubed, and it tells you what you have on hand. Likewise with the bombs, and let's just use this one here because I know this is a bomb that I've created whilst we've been setting up and testing. And you go here and you want to know how much of this do you actually have in the finished goods warehouse, because that's the only place this will reside. It won't reside in your raw material. Again, search a product for chicken biryani. There we go. We actually have 14,545 sitting on the shelf. So do we need to manufacture more of this? Potentially no, if the order is less than that. I think that concludes. Just remember that these functions here, these custom functions, you are able to add multiple functions here, multiple search functions. So you can add a further selection, and you can continue. So you can add multiple search functions based on one search criteria, which will start giving you all the information you want. Again, these tile views can be changed to list view, and note that it'll always give you all the information once you clicked on it, the stock on hand, forecasted, what's in and out, what's been sold, what's on reorder, and the actual bill of material. I'll take you through the bill of material, creating products in another video. Thank you.